one of the key projects that we performed most recently that I'm very excited about is looking at the effects of repetitive blast injury in the brain. There have been signs of this on pathology that have been uncovered through a collaboration that we had with Special Operations Command, with one of our collaborators in neurology, Dr. Brian Edlow. This was a project that started in 2019 out of the recognition that some of our most elite performers, people who are defending our country at the highest levels, were experiencing repetitive blast injury resulting in invisible damage to the brain. And by invisible, I mean that these individuals would get the best possible clinical, conventional imaging, and they were basically told there was nothing wrong. Yet they knew fundamentally that there was something deeply wrong, that they were changed in some ways by these experiences and exposures they had had. Dr. Edlow was able to bring a cohort of 30 special operations forces here to the Martinos Center in the depths of the COVID-19 pandemic and have them imaged on our most cutting-edge multimodal scanners, going from 7 Tesla imaging to PET MRI and also connectome imaging. And what we saw in those studies, in those imaging exams, was that there were actual fundamental alterations in the brain that could explain some of the symptoms, actually many of the symptoms, and could be linked potentially to a mechanism from blast injury. So it was an exploratory pilot study, but based on the findings of that, I think it gave a glimmer of hope to the community. And we've been so fortunate through Dr. Edlow and his colleagues' advocacy to bring a larger scale study here to the Martinos Center and really make best use of our newest generation of imaging technology to probe that in a broader range of individuals and really solidify the evidence that we were able to kind of get a glimpse of with this pilot study.